Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone at Luke Rides. Luke Rides is back. As what we're going to be looking at now is something quite interesting. But this also applies to the 2017-2022 BMW R NineTs and for the earlier models. What you're going to learn is from start to finish how to remove the rear wheel and how to reinstall the rear wheel. And yeah, sketchy. Let's hit it. Yeah.
It's showtime.
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn.
We're using a long extension so that as the torque bolts are undone, the rear wheel, the ratchet is not whacking into the titanium acrylic system. Put the rear wheel onto, say, a cover like this, just to make you feel nice and safe, that the paint on the wheel is not being scratched onto the floor, or anything like that. Yeah, the only thing holding the R NineT in is this paddock stand. BMW forums recommend that we clean the threads on the bolts with like WD-40. So take some like kitchen paper, lie the bolts down, WD-40 over the threads. Something like this where you just break. Thank you.
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away.
keen on using power tools, lined tools on these aluminium hubs. BMW have recommended no tighter than 60 Newton meters because the hubs crack. I'm using a star shape and tightening up the bolts just to pull the wheel onto the hub evenly. And then I make sure that the bit is inserted into the bolt fully before I put pressure on. When you hear the torque wrench click, don't go any further because you're done. No. All bolts accounted for. Yay! Yeah! So as you saw from the video, it was well, it was a bit like, oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Yeah, it was a bit scary to see the rear wheel come off the R90, only because the only thing keeping the R90 in the air and safe is the paddock stand. That's it. But it's interesting to know you can remove and refit the rear wheel without an ABBA stand. You don't have to. Luke Wright has seen there's only one video of the R90 with an ABBA stand where he talks about removing the rear wheel and reinstalling it, but this goes to show that you can actually use a paddock stand. What's important to know is because that paddock stand is taking the weight of what is a heavy race bike, a heavy classic superbike, you want quality. You want to know that paddock stand doesn't have any flex and isn't going to wobble as you take the rear wheel off, and also when you're installing it, and in that time where the R90 has no flex. Thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As what, sir?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
We're gonna do that classic Luke Rides thing again where we get the coffee out. Yeah, coffee out. Oh, nah, love coffee. Is where I need it. Thanks for watching.